Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by opening Google Maps while signed into your Google account on Android or iPhone. Make sure you connect to Wi-Fi before downloading to avoid cellular charges. Check available device storage because offline maps require space. Remember, Google Maps offline areas expire after 30 days without updates. You can update maps over Wi-Fi to extend availability. Also enable location services so navigation works smoothly. Finally, familiarize yourself with download limits and the offline. First, search for a city, address, or place in Google Maps to find the region. Tap the place name or the three dots to open the menu of options. Select Download Offline Map from the menu to open the selection screen. Pinch and drag to adjust the rectangular area you want to save for offline use. Confirm by tapping Download and optionally rename the map for easy identification later. Note that offline map sizes vary, often between 10 and 200 MB per area. Open Google Maps and go to Offline Maps to view saved areas and their sizes. Use offline maps for driving and walking navigation even when you lack cellular service or Wi-Fi. Remember, live traffic, transit schedules, and alternate routes need an internet connection and will not update offline. You can still search for saved places and see turn-by-turn directions for downloaded areas. To manage storage, update maps over Wi-Fi or delete maps from offline map settings to free space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.